i-marinate natin yung ating chicken thighs skinless. Marinate lang natin sa salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Spanish style paprika, oyster sauce. Tayo ng honey. Ayan, dali. Lagay tayo ng sesame oil. Then, i-leave lang natin marinate like 2 hours or 1 hour. Pwede na yan. Natin siya dito. Pwede na tayo mag-air fry ng ating honey chicken. 15 minutes in the side and then 15 minutes on the other side. Ayan, pwede na natin i-flip to the other side. There. Another 15 minutes.
Que también lloran tus ojos, a mí tú me encanta, solo dime qué traes.
Honey chicken with salad, mango, sweet cherry tomato, cucumber, and plain rice. Ayan. Sarap. Sarap.